Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering down and unplugging the system, then wear an anti-static strap to protect components. Once done, remove the side panel and locate the M2 slot or SATA ports on the motherboard. Make sure you have the right connector, M2 for NVMe or SATA for 2.5 SSD, plus a small screw and standoff if needed. This step sets the foundation. Get organized so the actual installation is fast and correct, and verify clearance around CPU cooler and cables. You now perform the core installation. For M2 drives, insert the module at about a 30-degree angle into the slot, then gently press it down and fasten the screw to the standoff. This ensures firm contact. For 2.5 SATA SSD, slide the drive into the bay or bracket and attach the SATA data cable to the motherboard and the SATA power cable from the PSU. Make sure cables are routed to avoid strain, and confirm the drive is flat and secure before closing the case. You finish by powering on and entering BIOS or UEFI to verify the motherboard detects the new SSD. Change the boot order if you plan to install an operating system. Once in the OS, initialize the disk, create partitions and format. Use GPT for modern UEFI systems. If the drive isn't recognized, reseat the SSD and cables, update your BIOS, or test another M2 slot or SATA port. This single troubleshooting tip usually resolves detection problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.